Hello everyone, today I will show you how can we create a LinkedIn business page. So to create a LinkedIn business page, go to linkedin.com and sign in first. Second, go to the option for business. So click here. After clicking here, just scroll down. So you can see create a pay company page. Just click on the create a company page option. So there are some pages type. So what kind of pages the page do you want to create, like company, showcase page, or educational institution? So now we want to create a company page for our business. So click on the company page option and here put your company name. Okay, so name and the LinkedIn username. So this is the name where, okay, this is the company name. Company name, this is the URL. So your page will be visible with this URL. Your website address, industry, advertising services. Select the organization size 2 to 10, organization type, self-employed. Insert your logo here. This is my logo. And tagline. And click this I verify that I'm authorized representative of the organization. So this is the process to create a LinkedIn. So after checking everything, just click the create page. Okay, okay, our page is ready. So this is our page, and if we click on the page, so just view as a member. So you will see the URL here. So if you share the URL with anyone, he or she can like your page or follow your page. Following this way, we can create a professional LinkedIn page for your business or personal uses. So thank you so much, everybody. So subscribe my channel and follow the Facebook page. And stay with me for these kinds of videos to grow your business.